Hey viewers, welcome to Grab Adventures. Or should I say Roo Adventures? Anyway, my channel is still called Grab Adventures because I will still be using Grab, and I'll also be using deliveroo from now on. And hopefully in the future, I will give you a comparison of the two food delivery services and platforms and how I managed to do these two platforms lah. As all of you know by now, I have actually applied for the Deliveroo account, a Cyclist account, and basically when you apply for it, right, you need to purchase the Cyclist kit as well before your account can be activated. So I already received my kit, and basically this is what it contains. So before we head into the contents of the kit, let me just share a brief rundown of the cost of the kit for you. Okay, so the kit which I actually ordered is the Cyclist kit. So this kit, right, if you are purchasing it for the second time or third time, right, there is no discount, and I believe it costs like about $100. However, if you're purchasing it for the first time, they do give you a 50% discount. This was actually applied when I was checking out of the cart. So I paid $50 for all this entire stuff that you see over here. Let's go and take a look at what I received in my Deliveroo Cyclist gears. First of all, you have the Halal food bag. Now this is very similar to the, it looks similar to the Grab Halal bag. Let's open it up and take a look at how it looks like. So just pop this open. Yep. Okay, and let's see now. Okay. Oh, wow, this is, oh my god, what is this? This is so huge. How do you expect me how do you expect me to cycle with this size of a bag? Okay, wow, I think I really need to go and get some advice from senior Deliveroo riders on how I'm gonna use this. So there's like a zipper over here, and wow, what am I gonna, how do you use this? Okay, so I will, not sure what's going on with this bag, with this halal food bag. It does not look anything like the Grab bag, that's for sure. So let me just fold this down. Guys, if there are any Deliveroo riders out there who are watching this video, some help would be appreciated. If you can tell me how I'm supposed to use this enormous bag. Okay, so this is done, and then next up is the uniform. So the uniform, right, I prefer long sleeve uniform lah. So actually there are short sleeves available. So when you're placing the order, right, you are given a choice whether you want to order the short sleeve or the long sleeve. But however, because I prefer long sleeve, I chose the long sleeve version, and there's a measurement chart as well. So do measure your size lah before you take it. Now well, the material, right, it's quite high quality, I believe. It's not porous like the Grab uniform, and it's more finely stitched, and the workmanship on this uniform, right, it's pretty good, and I like the color. You know, I don't know what color do you call this, teal? I'm not sure, but anyway, I can't wait to wear this and go out for Deliveroo deliveries. Okay, so I like this. You know, I like this material. Yeah, and so this is done. I've heard a lot of very positive feedback and reviews about the Deliveroo raincoat, and they actually offer it when you purchase the kit, which I think is awesome. And yeah, the raincoat, Yep. Yeah, the raincoat is pretty nice as well. Fully zippered up to the neck. And inner sleeve, yeah, it's double lined with the inner mesh, and there's like pockets inside and on the exterior as well. So really nice raincoat, or outer shell raincoat. Okay, so this one we are done with the raincoat. And then apart from that, you also have the option of adding in this two stuff for free into the cart when you're ordering. So this is actually a handphone, waterproof handphone holder, I think, with, I don't know, let me see. Yep, it's those pouch-like kind of waterproof holders, whereby you insert your phone inside here, and then there's like a clip over here which you can actually slot in. Then you can fix it up like that, and then I think you just fold it down like that, so that your phone is actually very secure and watertight. Yeah. I don't know, maybe I will do a giveaway for this. Let's see how it goes. And then the other free gift which I received is actually this helmet. Now the helmet, right, when you choose the helmet, it actually comes in two sizes. So be careful of which size you are ordering. So this helmet, right, it's pretty snug. I ordered based on my existing size, so it should fit me. But most likely, I think I'm gonna give it to my son to use. And at the back, right, it has this little, I don't know, let me pull the strap out. Yeah, it's just a little, a ratchet for you to tighten up the strap within your head for a snug fit. So colors are nice. So yeah, that's a plus point for this. So in you go. And finally, the bag. So let's take a look at the bag. And now let's open up this bag over here, and let's see what it contains. Okay. Okay, there we go. Oh, okay. First off, my first impression is that well, the bag is actually quite similar in size to the existing grab bag that I have. Okay, so this is how it looks like from the front, from the side, and then at the back. And let's see, on this side it has like a net mesh over here. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you. On this side you actually have some kind of, I don't know what is this. Oh, there's something like a, I'm not sure. Oh, I think you like, I don't know what you put inside here. There's another compartment here. Wow, lots and lots of zippers. So I have a compartment here, a mesh here, and then okay, these are padded. So those riders who wow, the padding is quite soft. So those riders who are not using the racks behind, who are carrying the bag, yeah, so I guess this would be quite good for them. And let's see, how do you open this? Okay, so so you open it up from the front, I guess. Okay, so you have some leaflets here which shows you, I guess these are the inserts for you to put in things like this, and like that, and then one more is basically these are the inserts that you put in, and then this one, right? I think it kind of like goes into the center lah. Yeah, or something like that. So this is the instructions on how to do the assembly of the bag. Okay. Oh, there is a top opening as well. Okay, let's check out the top opening. Take this stuff out. So this is the front opening, but as I'm actually using a bicycle rack, right? I mean I won't be able to open it up from the front. So wow, the top opening, it only opens about halfway through. Okay, so this is the top opening, and wow, I don't believe that this bag is very usable for me personally, because for me I'm so used to the grab bag, whereby I can actually open the entire top part and then put in all my stuff. This one, right, I can only open it this way, so that if I have like, I don't know, like maybe large pizza boxes or a large order or something, right, I might have some trouble putting in the bags and all that. And how about drinks also, I might have some issues with this bag. So I guess I won't be using this deliveroo bag lah, because for me personally speaking, I think I would stick with the grab bag, because I'm so familiar with that bag lah. So I'm not gonna be using this bag. So what do you guys think? Which bag do you think is more user friendly? The grab bag or the deliveroo bag? And basically that's it for today, and we have come to the end of today's episode. I hope, sorry, okay, because I only have one camera, I'm not sure whether you can see my face or not. Hopefully you can. If not, I apologize. So if you guys like this video, do subscribe to it, and keep on watching. I will give you further updates on how my food delivery career in the gig economy on a part-time basis actually progresses. Ride safe, be safe. See you in another adventure soon. Bye guys.